Look at this Thermador All-Gas Pro Harmony range. It has that heavy commercial look and marquee name with Pro output. However, this cafe range has 2 ovens, is self-cleaning with better output, and costs less than the Thermador. In this video, you will learn the pros and cons of upgrading to a Pro range. Stay to the end and I will reveal the one feature that nobody talks about that might change the way you look at this comparison. What you buy really depends on how you like to cook. However, most people seem to like dual fuel, the speed of gas with the evenness of an electric oven. An all-gas range is better for roast with its moister, heavier heat. The broiler is better in a gas range. Seriously, how many people grill outside on an electric grill? We will return to broilers later in the video. Induction cooktops are actually faster than any gas range with a way better simmer. They are easier to clean because the top doesn't get blazing hot and bake the spills into the top, and they're also the most child-safe because the magnetic burners need metal to turn on. You can buy induction in the standard 30-inch sizes, but many brands now offer a 36-inch range with a few like Fisher-Paykel producing 48 inches. Unlike in years past, all gas ranges normally have 2 high-output burners. LG offers 2 20,000 BTU burners in this slide-in, which is more than the max output of a few well-known Pro ranges. It's $2,000 to $3,000 less than the average 30-inch Pro. It also offers many features a Pro does not offer because many Pro ranges like the Thermador or Blue Star or Wolf in all gas do not have clocks, timers, or even self-cleaning, while you still pay that premium price of $5,000 to $8,000. So from a price and value viewpoint, buying an induction or higher-end regular gas slide-in from a cafe, Profile, LG, Samsung, and even Bosch will give you a similar or even better output with better controls at a lower price. Before you look at features, a Pro range does look better than even a gas slide-in and is better for resale, but there are other differences as well. We talked about controls on an all-gas Pro as being non-existent. On dual fuel, the controls on ranges like Wolf, Miele, and SKS are incredibly intuitive and will improve your cooking. You input the food, how you like it cooked. In a Wolf dual fuel, the oven will calculate time, temperature, and even rack position. Miele adds steam assist to bake breads or add flavor to your meats. You also have more options in the 36-inch size and much more in the 48 and 60-inch sizes. With grills, especially the direct infrared types that also sear incredibly well, as well as those thermostatically controlled griddles, allowing you to cook way better than the freestanding types on regular ranges. You also have specialty cooking in sous vide, which is precision boiling in a bag, or French tops that allow you to cook many different types of food simultaneously. If you want a steam oven, and steam ovens are the healthiest way of cooking, then Thermador and SKS have full steam ovens in the larger 48-inch sizes. Thermador has one in their 60-inch range, a size only available in the Pro range. You do have hotter burners in a Pro range. That regular slide-in may have 20,000 BTU in the front, but then drops off dramatically. Just make sure you know that if you regularly cook on 3 or more burners. However, there are 2 even more unique reasons to consider a Pro range. First is color. Blue Star will offer 1,000 colors and 10 trims. Viking will offer 17 colors, whereas Samsung, Cafe, and Fisher-Paykel will offer colors, although Cafe will offer 6 handle styles. So if you want something other than stainless, you have some better options. But all gas Pros are way better than any range in one feature, and that's broiling. Seriously, before you click away, that Miele 23,000 BTU infrared broiler is the same as the sear element in the $10,000 Lynx grill. Exactly the same BTU with the same directed heat, which is better for searing. So what do you think? The resale and functionality of a Pro or the value and surprisingly good output of a regular gas or induction range? CTA. If you want to learn more about the differences between dual fuel and all gas ranges, click here. And thanks for watching.